Hey, what's up, geeks? I hope you're enjoying this Corona season. Yeah, it's a trip, man. But anyways, I'm your instructor, Darron Brown, the instructor from School of Geek Mode, and in this video, we're going to tackle the Designer PDF Viewer algorithm. I'm not going to read through its entire description. If you guys want to read through the description, there's a link in the description area of this video. But anyways, basically, what we're going to do is we have a word, and each word has a length. That word can be 5 letters long or 6 letters long. However long that word is, we're going to take the length of that word, and then we're going to find the tallest letter within that word. So each letter within this word, it represents a number. So whatever letter has the highest number, you're going to take that number and multiply it by the length of the word. So as you can see from right here, I'll read this part. Assume the heights of the letters are 2, 1, 1, 1, and n equals 1. The tallest letter is 2, and there are 4 letters. Because of that, you're going to multiply 2 to 4, which gives you 8. All right, so that's basically what we have to do. All right, guys, so we have right here ABC. The highest letter is 3. The length of ABC is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Simple enough. So I'm going to go ahead. I want you guys to go ahead, copy the function here. I've already done it. You guys go ahead, copy the function, and go to your text editor. Now, you can pause this video and make sure that your screen looks identical to mine, or at least your function looks identical to mine. I went ahead and I added the alphabets already because it would have took forever to do that. And then I went ahead and created an array of letters that we have in our example. So I want you guys to go ahead and copy the screen. You know what I'll do? I'll paste this into the description, and you can copy in the description and paste it into your text editor IDE. I think that'll save you guys some time too. So anyways, let's get into it. So we're going to create, first we're going to do a check and see if anything has been passed to our function. So if there is no, no height, or if there is no word, we're going to return false. Next we're going to let the index, we're going to create a variable titled index array. And we're going to create another variable titled final array. All right. Now we're going to take our word, and we're going to set it equal to our word dot split. Now, if we were to leave this empty, our split empty, it wouldn't do anything. But if we add quotations, then that's going to split our word, each letter in our word, into its own separate array, which is what we want to do. And if we actually put a space between our quotations, that would actually, instead of dividing the letters, it would actually divide the words. So I advise you guys to look up how to use split in JavaScript. Sometimes it can be very useful. And then once our word is an array, we're going to go ahead, take our word, and then we're going to loop through our word using the for each method. And each word has a letter. Hey, what's up guys? Darron Brown here. I just wanted to remind you, at the end of this video, make sure you check out the website www.geekmode.tech. There you can learn more about React Native, Firebase, and Redux. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you check out our free course as well. I'm sure you enjoy it. Now, that's enough of me, and I'll let you guys get back to the video. Now, we're going to go ahead and grab our alphabets, and we're going to find the index. This is a built-in method for arrays. So we're going to use the find index method, and we're going to go ahead and get the alphabet and the index. Okay? It's a callback function. And if our alphabet is equal to our letter, we're going to add that alphabet into our index array. All right, we're going to take the index of that alphabet and push it into our index array. Okay, so once we're done with this, make sure I'm not making any kind of mistakes. We're going to go ahead and take our height. We're going to do the same thing. Find index. We'll take the value and the index. We're going to say index array dot for each nd, because we can't use index. That word is already used. So we're going to take nd, and we're going to see if our index is equal to our index, the final array dot push. We're going to push that value into our final array. All right. Now, after we've done that, I want to go ahead and I'm going to take our final array and we're going to sort it. And sort it basically puts everything in order. Now, we're going to create another variable titled the largest value. We're going to set it equal to our final array dot length -1. And finally, we're going to return our largest value times our final array dot length. Let's go ahead and console log what we're getting back. So we expect to see the answer is 3. Excuse me, the answer of 9. Go ahead, we're going to console log this. Clear this out. Node HackerRank /designer. And I made a mistake right here. Press enter. And that's exactly what we're expecting to get back. The height of the largest letter is actually 3. The length of our word is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So we know our algorithm is working. So I'm going to go ahead, copy our function, and return to HackerRank. Let's console log it. As you can see, our test is passing. Let's submit it. All of our tests have passed. Awesome. All right, geeks, that's it for this video. If there's any questions, feel free to reach out to me, and I'll catch up with you guys later. Peace.